Welcome back. Now we're going to tinker a bit with the battery cover. Let's begin by right-clicking on the battery cover. We'll select Edit Part. Now let's go to the Surfaces tab. Activate the Offset Surface tool. Select the face to offset. The offset distance will be 0.75 millimeters. Reverse the direction by clicking here. And click OK. Next, I'm going to use the Extend Surface tool. I want to extend the surface I just created in both directions. If I highlight the surface, it lights up, and when I mouse over the edge is highlighted. However, if I select the edge, the surface is extended from the edge only. Let's right-click and clear this selection. Now we'll select this face. Offset distance 3 millimeters. Hit the Tab key to register the changes and see our preview, and click OK. Now let's go to Insert, Cut with Surface. Surface Extend 1's already pre-selected. We need to change the direction of the cut. Click on the arrow to do so, and let's click OK. Now let's hide Surface Extend 1. Right-click, Hide. And let's edit our assembly. Right-click on the assembly, Edit. I'm looking at this gap here. It looks a little bit too big. Let's right-click on the battery cover. Select Open Part. The same features are present in the battery cover part that we see in the assembly when we highlight battery cover. Let's go back to the battery cover. And let's right-click and edit Surface Offset 1. We'll make the gap a little bit smaller, let's say 0.25 millimeters instead. And click OK. Let's return to our assembly now. Want to update? Yes. The gap looks smaller, that's good. Now let's open the Pocket Game part. Open. What we're going to do here is add a draft to the surface we used to create the battery cover. The surface we're going to edit is Surface Extrude 3. Let's roll back in the design tree. Right about here. Now we'll insert a reference plane. Insert, Reference Geometry, Plane. Offset distance 8 millimeters. Let's reverse the direction to be sure it's going in the right direction. And click OK. Now let's go to Insert, Features, Draft. Be sure the Manual Draft option is selected. For the neutral plane, we're going to select Plane 4. And Faces to Draft, let's select this surface. Draft angle, let's make it 4 degrees. Click Preview. Let's reverse the direction and preview again. Looks good, let's accept. Now let's move the rollback line down so we can be sure everything looks okay. And finally, it's time to save our part. We'll return to the assembly. We need to rebuild, yes. And now we've added a gap as well as a 4-degree draft angle. This concludes our lesson about editing the battery cover.